Welcome back to my channel, fam. In this video I will show you how I brand my handmade products from the comfort of my home. You will learn how I design custom tags that I attach to my products to give them that professional look, all without hiring a graphic designer or spending a fortune. And if you watch this video to the end, I'll show you two different ways to create custom tags and two ways you can attach them to your products as well. Now the first thing you want to do is to open your Canva. Canva is the first app we'll be using to design this, and if you don't have Canva, just go to Google Play Store and download it. Okay, once you open your Canva, you'll see the interface that looks like this. Go ahead and search for label. Okay, there are two ways you can go about this. Is either you make use of the already customized labels that Canva has, or you start afresh and design your own. In this case, I'm going to show you how to design your own from scratch. Okay, now go ahead and click on that plus button and then click on custom size, then set your size, both your height and your weight. The measurement of our tag is 6 by 9 cm, and if you click on the pixel unit, you also see what it will give you, so that's okay. Go ahead and click OK. Now if you already have your company logo, just click on gallery and import it. Okay, but if you don't, I'll quickly show you how to create your company logo with Canva. Now go to elements, okay, and search logo A. I'm searching logo A because the brand name we are going to be using for this tutorial will start with A. So search logo A and choose any logo of your choice there, just something simple that you can use as your logo. So this looks good. Next, you click on color and change it to your brand color. This is just a demonstration. Okay, change this to your brand color. Next, go back to elements, search shape. Okay, then go ahead and select a circle shape. Next, we need to remove the color inside the circle, so click on color. First, change the color to the background color and increase the stroke weight. Then move the circle towards the A logo. Okay, increase the circle a bit in such a way that the A logo will fit inside the circle perfectly. Next, you go to color and then change the color to transparent so you'll be able to view the A logo. Next, go back to elements and select the square shape. Okay, change the color to the background color, which is white. We just want to cut off parts of the circle, and that is what I am doing right now. Okay, and that's it with the logo, guys. Now it's time to write the text. Okay, go ahead and click on text and then we'll write the first text that we'll be using for this custom tag, and that is the brand name. So for this tutorial we are using the brand name Adiola Bags. Just type it. What I'm doing right now is just duplicating the text, okay, to enable me write other text. So right now I'm writing the address. Next on the tag is the phone number, so I'll also duplicate the text and write the phone number. Next is the social media handle, so I'll duplicate the text again and write the social media handles. Next we are going to do is to change the fonts of this text. As you can see, they all have the same fonts. Okay, so just click on each text and click on fonts and then go ahead and change it to any font of choice. There are many fonts that Canva provides for free. Okay, so for each text you go ahead and click the font that you want, and just as you are changing the font, you can also change the font size. Okay, go ahead and change it. You can make the rest of the text to be the same thing. That's the address, the phone number, and the social media handles. You can make it to be the same fonts, okay, while the Adiola bags at the top can be different. And just as you're changing the font and the font size, you can also go ahead and change the color of the text to be the same. Next is the icons. Okay, go to the elements and choose the location icon. Just type location and choose the icon. Go ahead and change the color and place it on top of the address. Go back to the elements and type WhatsApp for the WhatsApp icon. Choose anyone you like and still change the color to your brand color. And then place the icon on top of the phone number, okay? Next is the social media icons, the Facebook and Instagram icons. So go ahead and search each of them under elements and change the color as well and place it on top of the social media handle. Once we are done with this, our custom tag is ready for print. So all you have to do is to save it to your gallery, and that is just it. Now I want to show you another way you can go about designing this. The next app we are going to use is called Pixellab, and Pixellab you can use it with or without data, whereas Canva you can use it with data. Okay, you can't use Canva if you don't have data. So go ahead and set up the size of your custom tag. Okay, the unit of the Pixellab is in pixels, so go ahead and set up your size in pixels. The next thing I'm going to do is to change the background color. I'll just change it to white, okay, which was what we used initially. Then the next thing is to import our logo. Okay, I'll just be making use of that same logo that we designed. I'll just import it directly to this place. Now it's just the same process with what we did in Canva. Okay, I'm just going to show you that quickly. So just insert those texts that's needed to be inserted, okay, and change the color. Go ahead and change the text, that's the font, right? And that's just it. That's just what this is all about. Change the font, change the size, change the color, and then input your icons. So I'm going to be speeding up this video so it doesn't get too long. So it's pretty much the same thing we've done initially, okay, just the same thing, nothing difficult. Now the next thing is to insert your icons, and Pixellab does not provide icons. So what you just have to do is to go to your Google and browse this, download it, and then insert it to Pixellab. Now I'll just be making use of the icons we used in Canva. So just take a look at what I'm doing. I'm just importing it directly, cropping it out, and then inserting it. You can see we are done with what we are supposed to do. So just go ahead and save this to your gallery, and then take it to any business center close to you. Give it to them. They know just what to do, okay? They will print it out for you to be like this. Next is to attach a custom tag to our product. Could be your slippers, could be your handbag, or any handmade product. So just get the tag, get the custom tag rope or holder, and fix it just like I'm doing in the video. Now I'm going to show you another way to go about this in case you can't access this rope. But before that, in case you are interested in making a slippers like this, I want to let you know that I have an online course for that available on Seller. Check the link in the description box and it will take you right there, okay? Now back to the video. Now get your sewing thread, okay, and cut the length you feel like it's going to be okay. I didn't do any measurements here, so go ahead and double the thread. I think I doubled the thread twice. Just watch the video closely, and then I kind of twisted it to make it, you know, stronger and firmer. Then I inserted the thread into the opening of the custom tag while I tie it together. Now go ahead and cut off the excess thread. The next thing I did here was to get a little leather strap, okay, apply gum on it, allow it to dry, and then I fixed it at that point where I tied the thread together, and then I'll just fold in the leather strap. That will make it look so cute and so professionally done. Like, you can go ahead and do this if you can't access the other rope that I use. The other rope, you can just get it from the market. It's being sold at the market, but in case you can't access it immediately, just go ahead and do this. We've come to the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in another video.